Welcome to Mercy's in the kitchen. So guys, I'm going to show you how I cook my sweet Caribbean Jamaica stew beef. So guys, this is all ingredients I'm going to use to cook this stew beef. And here guys, I have some corn. And guys, I will put it in the description for you to know what I use. All of my backer season, what I use and whatever I use inside of this stew beef, I will put it down for you to know. This is my vegetable. And guys, you can eat it with food, rice, pasta, crushed Irish, whatever you want to have it with, you can have it with it when you cook your stew beef. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slice up my beef. And guys, remember to slice it very small to cook your stew beef. When you slice it this way, it's easy to cook. Guys, you can use a small amount of vinegar to wash your beef. Spill. I'm going to put it away to marinate for 20 minutes. So my pot is on. I'm going to get a small amount of oil. Very small. I'm going to get in the beef. I'm going to allow it to stay here and brown and get its own color. Okay, let's look on it. So guys, I'm going to get in some red label wine. Guys, I don't want this, I'm going to cook it like this. I'm going to get in my season. Can you brown stew beef, man? So I'm going to remove my flame. Guys, when you cook your beef, brown stew beef like this, guys, and I want it finished. So nice.